How to do text to speech on TikTok. Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets TikTok tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do text to speech in your TikTok videos to narrate whatever's going on. So doing text to speech on a TikTok video is actually really easy, and it does not require any third-party apps or add-ons, anything like that. We can do everything within the TikTok app on our iPhone or Android phone. So to get started, I'm just going to quickly hit the plus symbol at the bottom of the TikTok app to create a video. And when you're making the video, you just have to keep in mind that the text to speech will be as long as the video is. So if you have a 15-second video, the text to speech will be 15 seconds long. So I'm going to quickly record a very short video. Then once you're done, select the check mark to save it. And now, depending on what type of phone you're on, we need to select text. So on an Android phone, it's going to be at the bottom of the screen, but on an iPhone, it'll be in the right menu. So go ahead and select text. Add your text, add any effects to it if you want to, and then hit done. And now we can move the text anywhere we want to on the screen. From here, simply tap the text, and then you'll see in the menu it says text to speech. Select text to speech, and now we'll have several options we can choose, and that will be the sound of the text. Once you're done, hit done, and now you can go through the process of hitting next and posting your TikTok video with text to speech. All right, so that's how you do text to speech on TikTok. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more TikTok tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.